Welcome to Vudvi Food and Arts. Today's recipe is spicy potato fry. Let's see how to prepare simple and tasty spicy potato fry. Before that, please subscribe our channel and like and share the videos. Let us begin the process. We will begin the recipe with potatoes. Here I have 4 medium-sized potatoes. We will peel them and cut them as cubes. And have it in a bowl. Let's heat up the pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of jeera and fry it for 2 minutes until have nice aroma. In same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add the chopped potatoes and roast it until have golden brown color. After having golden brown color, keep it aside. In same pan, add curry leaves, 3 medium-sized chopped onions, mix and salt well, and then add chopped cabbage, mix and salt well. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt well, and add roasted mustard jeera powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and salt well. And then add roasted potatoes, mix well, add little water, chopped green chilies and chopped coriander leaves, mix and salt for 2 minutes. Finally, add half lemon before serve. Try it in your kitchen and share with us how it goes for you. Thank you for watching.